Are you losing potential customers while you focus on the job? In today's fast-paced world, missing a call can mean losing a valuable lead. That's where we come in. We answer your calls so you don't have to. Our trained agents provide real-time support. You get live, dedicated help during working hours or after hours, weekends, and even 24/7. With us, every client interaction showcases your brand's promise. Imagine the freedom to focus on your work, knowing we're there to capture leads. Your calls are answered by specialists in HVAC and home services, not generalists. That's a trusted team at your side, ready to earn your client's trust from the first hello. We streamline your operation by booking jobs straight onto your Housecall Pro calendar, keeping your pipeline thriving. Stay informed and in control. Access detailed call reports, including length, notes, and even recordings. Get instant text alerts for urgent calls. Reclaim your time today. Don't let opportunities slip away. Let us handle the calls while you focus on what you do best. Contact us now and transform how you manage your service business.